Hello friends, my name is Anushka Tamar. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to perform some essential data preparation task using Python. Here in this video, we will discuss about data preparation task, which is how to add an index field using Python, how to change misleading field values using Python, and how to express categorical value using Python, how to standardize numeric field value using Python, how to identify outliers using Python. Now let's get started. Here I am using online Python compiler. Now let's see how to add index field using Python. For this we will import, sorry, don't here. Here we will import pandas library, pandas SPS. Now we will create a dictionary data set which is data. Under this we will include the name, sorry, A, comma, B, comma, C. Now this is our dictionary data set. Now if we want to create this into table form, we will use the data frame function of pandas library. Let's see. Here we have created a variable df. Now we are using our data frame function. Inside this we will give data. Now our date. Now let's print this. Print df. Maybe now let's run this. Sorry, I didn't close this. Yeah. Now let's run this. Here we get data into row and column form, which is a table. Here, what does data frame do? Data frame convert our data into row and column. Now we want to add an index column here. So for this we will do df. Sorry, and inside this we will write column name index. Now its range will be from 1 to the length of df plus plus 1. Now let's see, it will add index number in the our column. Here, what is the output of this code? Here we have first we have imported panda library. Now we have created our dictionary data set. Then we have using data frame function, which is converting our these dictionary item into row and table form. Now we will add a new column index, which will start from 1 and goes to the length of df plus 1. This was not included. Now let's print this. We have printed this df. Now we get the answer. So this is the way how we add index in Python. Now, second thing is how to change misleading value fields in Python. For this, we will here, this is the misleading value which we will change with meaningful name. Now, let's see the program. Here, we will use df name. Now, df name dot replace. We will replace A from Alice, B from Bob, and C from Charlie. Now, now run this program. Here we get Alice instead of A, Bob instead of B, Charlie instead of C. So this is the way how we change misleading field values using Python. Now we will understand one more data preparation task, which is re-expressing categorical value. Now what is re-expressing categorical value? Re-expressing categorical value means converting text category into numerical values. Now let's understand with this help of an example. Here we have created one more column which is name encoded. Now we have already a column which is a name. Now we will encode it Alice with 1, Bob with 2 and Charlie with 2. Now let's see the output of the code. Here we have re-expressed our name into name encoded, which is Alice is 1, Bob is equal to 2, Charlie is 3. Now this is the way how we re-expressing our categorical value. Now let's look at how to standardize numeric value. Here we have taken an example. We will understand this example. Here we have imported pandas library and created our normal dictionary dataset, which is converted into table by using data frame. Now what we are doing here we are finding the mean and also finding the standard deviation of our age age. Now, if we want to standardize this, so there is a formula to standardize a numeric value, which is not original value minus mean, which is divided by standard deviation. So now let's see the output of this code. Here we have age column which is 25, 35, 45. Now how to find age standardized? We will find age standardized by using a formula which is original value minus mean, which is divided by standard deviation. So for this we have already calculated our mean or standard deviation. Now this is the way how we standardize numeric value. Now we will understand our last data preparation task, which is how to identify outlier. For this, we have a program. Here we have import panda spd and we have created a column salary, which is storing some value 30,000, 40,000, 1 lakh, 50,000. Here 1 lakh is outlier. Now what is outlier? Outlier is a value which is high or low compared to the rest of the values. Now for to find an outlier, first we will calculate the Q1 and Q3, which is quartile. Now here we have calculated Q1, which is salary dot quantile 0.25, which means the value, it is representing the value which is below 25% of data falls. Here it is representing the value which is below 75% of data fall. Now we will calculate the interquartile range by subtracting Q1 from Q3. Now we will calculate the lower and upper bound for outliers. We will use formula here for lower bound Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR, for upper bound Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. Now how to identify outlier? We will filter outlier from this statement. Here we have selected a row salary. Here we will see if it is less than lower bound or it is upper than lower bound. The row which is selected will be outlier. So now display our outlier output. As we have seen here, our outlier is 1 lakh. So this is our outlier, which is much larger than other data set. Now, this is for today's video. Thank you for watching my video.